Alright guys, for this new lesson that we're going to work with Google Sheets, we're going to go into our apps section. We're going to pull up Google Sheets, and this time we're going to be working with buying equipment. We're also going to be looking at tax, and we're going to look at using a couple different formulas. So we're going to go here, and we're going to type in our name. And then we're going to come down here to cell address A1. And we're going to stretch this down to F again. And we're going to make this so it's merged. Again, I went here. I'm going to choose Cosmic Sands. You can choose whichever one you'd like. I would like you all to have at least 24. And then I would like you to type in cost of, we'll make this all caps, of new equipment. And we're going to center that. This will give you an idea of how much Mr. Van Fossen pays for his equipment. We're going to choose a color here. You can choose whichever one you like. Now when you're done with this, now we got to get some headers here for these columns. And our first one's going to be equipment. And the next one's going to be quantity. Following one is going to be cost. I'm going to go to the next one here, which is going to be subtotal. This is something new for you guys. After that, we're going to do tax. This is another new one. Let's make this as realistic as possible, you know. TOTAL is our total. Over here, I want you to write down tax. That's going to be in I, and that's going to be in 2. And next to that is J. And in there, I want you to put down 6. And we're going to come over here to this section, and we're going to hit the percent. We do not want 600%, so we're going to drop this down. And actually, I'm doing this wrong here. Let's make that, we're going to do 0.06. Now we'll hit the percentage. That's giving me the right style that I want. So again, that was, let me do that again just because I did it wrong the first time. 0.06, and then you'll hit the percentage. And that'll give you what you need. So the first item that we're going to put in here is basketball. And the quantity we're going to set at 8. And our cost is going to be 10 per basketball. Subtotal. Here we go, guys. We need to find the amount it's going to cost us total for these items. So here is where we have to put in a formula. Equal sign. We're going to click on the quantity. And then we're going to hit our time sign. And that one again is the one that looks like a star. And then we're going to come over and hit the 10 and press enter. Now, this is not the price that we pay. The price that we pay, we have to add tax onto that. So we have to multiply 80 times 0.6. So now to do that, because we're running a spreadsheet, it makes it really easy. So what we'll do now is we have to hit the equal sign, and we'll hit the item that we have as a subtotal, and then we hit our multiplication. We come over to the 6, and we press enter. It will cost us $4.80 in tax. So we're going to put that there. We're going to make this a $sign. Now we're going to come here to our total. How much will that purchase of 8 basketballs actually cost us? Well, equal sign. and we are going to go and we're going to hit this, and we're going to do a plus, and we're going to come over to E3 and hit another plus. The actual cost is $84.80. So what I want you to do now is remember on lesson 2 and 1, we were able to take and grab the box here and drag it down. So I'll show you over here. We put in 1, and then we put 2, and then we put 3, and then we went and highlighted all that and went and did do, and it just counted it for us. Ladies and gentlemen, you can do the same thing with your formulas. So if you click here, and we're going to go all the way down to 14. You've got a formula in here. Now to test it to make sure you do, you just click here, and you see where it says B14, C14. B14, C14. Now we can click here, and we can do the same thing. Click, drag down. All the formulas are in there, and we can do the same thing for this one. Guess what? We don't have to worry about formulas anymore. All we got to do is put in what we're going to buy. So now I'm going to give you guys a sheet with all types of different items that you're going to purchase for your class, and we're going to say for your gym class. So what we're going to do is you guys are going to go and buy them. So in order to buy those, you will have to make sure that you put in the correct name here, the quantity, and the cost. So look at the next video for those items.